Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Respected Senior Minister Punjab, Ms. Maryam Aurangzeb, Minister for Climate Change, Senator Musaddiq Masood Malik, who I believe will be joining us online soon, United Nations Resident Coordinator, Mr. Mohammed Yahya, and our distinguished guests. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. On behalf of Dawn Media, it is an honor and my profound responsibility to welcome you all to Breathe Pakistan, the air we breathe, a critical gathering focused on one of the most urgent challenges of our time, air pollution. When we launched the Breathe Pakistan initiative earlier this year, our aim was to spark a national dialogue around climate resilience and environmental responsibility. At the first Breathe Pakistan International Climate Change Conference in February 2025, representatives from the government, the private sector, academia, and civil society came together to issue a charter for a climate-resilient Pakistan by 2047, laying the foundation for long-term commitment. The country prepares to enter yet another smog season. This conference focuses on tangible, practical measures to reduce air pollution. From stronger policy enforcement and cleaner technologies to innovative financing and governance frameworks. Through initiatives like Dawn Media's Mycelium campaign, we are helping to weave a living network of collaboration, connecting policymakers, researchers, businesses, and citizens to ensure that these shared commitments evolve to real, actionable projects that make a measurable difference. I hope that today's discussions across policy, across law, finance, and diplomacy will inspire collective action and send a strong message that the health of our people and the future of Pakistan are not just policy points, but national priorities. Together, let us commit to cleaner skies, healthier communities, and a sustainable future for generations to come. Thank you and welcome.